The best part about being a wildlife and conservation biology major at UNH is all the great hands-on experience you get through outdoor labs with professors who really care about their students and often other professionals from the field.
And I also love how you can really personalize your experience through the variety of courses offered.
Being part of a community that's excited to learn, having passionate professors, and taking classes that allow you to explore wildlife and the natural communities they live in.
This major is perfect for students who are interested in the environment and animal populations and who have a love for nature and enjoy spending time outdoors. The Wildlife and Conservation Biology curriculum is unique among other majors in the biological sciences because it has a strong applied focus on natural resource management. Students learn fundamental principles of ecology and conservation along with practical knowledge about policy and management. They also receive hands-on training in field and analytical techniques and how to apply them to real-world case studies on the conservation and management of animal populations. Most wildlife courses have an associated laboratory or recitation. These labs provide some of the best students' experiences in the program. That's because our labs are often field-based and provide students opportunities to learn outdoors in the university's many surrounding woodland properties, farms, and coastal and estuarine research centers. Several lab courses also feature local and regional field trips where students experience diverse habitats, ecosystems, field techniques, and management activities. Internships and independent research are also a key part of the wildlife student experience. Many of our students have internships, especially in the summer, with state agencies, state and national parks, or local conservation organizations. Students also have many opportunities to pursue undergraduate research with faculty either within or outside of the major. Many wildlife students also choose to study abroad, either in one semester or the summer. The EcoQuest New Zealand Ecology in Action program has a curriculum in ecological field studies that is specifically tailored to fit wildlife students and related majors. With a wildlife and conservation biology degree, students are prepared for a diversity of careers focused on ecology and natural resource management. Our recent graduates have taken jobs at local and regional state and federal agencies, including the U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service, U.S. Forest Service, USDA, New Hampshire Fish and Game, or other state fish and game departments, as well as with NGOs and private consulting companies, local land trusts, and cooperative extension programs. The Wildlife and Conservation Biology degree also prepares students well to continue their education with graduate studies in any ecological field. And our students have entered highly ranked graduate programs throughout the country. I look forward to seeing you soon on campus and in our beautiful college woods.